is King's Day in just a few days, and that is why we have yet another King's Day face paint design for you today. And today we have this crown design. So the crown is pretty easy. It is just a face painting stencil by Badass, and you can put it on the skin using a color like orange, because obviously orange is our national color. So once that crown is on there, we continue to the same split cake we used last week. It is called Dutch Pride, and once there is just a basic line with that Dutch Pride on the skin, we continue to outlining the crown, just because then it pops from the skin more than when you just use the stencil as is. So after everything has been outlined, we continue to double dipping some flowers. So Simone chose orange and white for the double dip flowers today, and she is using the brush called Eva number 1 to put these flower leaves on the skin with. A few stars, a few dots, a few more stars, and a few more dots. A lovely orange lipstick, which is the same color as used on the stencil. And with that, our crown King's Day face paint design is done. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.